Let's now go to acupuncture for emergencies. Let's discuss stroke in clinical manifestations. The principal and characteristic features of stroke are loss of consciousness, hemiplegia, numbness, dysphagia or aphasia, and wry mouth and tongue. In addition, there may be dizziness, headache, vomiting, agitation, convulsion, much sputum, hiccup, and incontinence of both urine and feces. The pupils may be dilated or constricted. The tongue may be stiff, wry, or curled. It may be cyanotic, red, or crimson, and it may be speckled with petechia. The tongue coating may be thin and white, white and greasy, yellow and greasy. The pulse is mostly taut, but may be slippery and thread-like, hesitant or intermittent. The stroke may be preceded by an aura, usual dizziness, headache, tinnitus, speech difficulty, or numbness in the limbs. For loss of consciousness, in mild cases, there may be mental confusion or somnolence. In severe cases, there is loss of consciousness or coma. The patient may fall into coma from the outset or may be mentally clear at first but gradually fall into coma with delirium and agitation along the way. For paralysis, this may be hemiplegia or paralysis in only one limb. In mild cases, the affected part is merely weak or poorly controlled. In severe cases, it is complete paralysis, often with anesthesia. During the acute phase, the affected limbs are usually flaccid, but a small portion of patients may have clonic or tonic tetany. In later stages, the affected limbs may have stiffness or contracture, especially in the joints of the fingers. For the mouth and tongue, these may be wry with deviation toward the side of hemiplegia. This is often accompanied by excessive salivation. And lastly, for speech, in mild cases, speech may be slow or slurred with a sensation of stiffness in the tongue. In severe cases, there is aphasia. Thank you for your attention.